Let's unbox your FreezyFun Ultimate Frozen Drink and Soft Serve Maker. The first thing you'll see is the Getting Started guide and the Use It Care. These both have useful tips and tricks to help you along the way. Plus, the Start Guide has tons of easy and fun recipes. The FreezyFun is packaged in a convenient bag with handles, making it easy to just pull up and out of the box. Once out of the box, let the machine rest upright for at least 2 hours before your first use. This allows the internal refrigerant to settle after shipping or from being tilted. Let's go over all the parts of the FreezyFun together. This is the auger. It churns your mix to get the perfect texture. Slide it over the cool barrel, align it with the front pin, and twist it into place. The condensation tray catches moisture as you go. Make sure to remove the protective film before locking it into place on the tank. You'll know if it's on correctly if the back edge is flush with the back of the tank. With the lock lever lifted, just slide the tank straight over the auger and push it in fully. You should hear a soft click. Then lower the lock lever. Make sure the front is completely flush. On the front of the tank, you'll see the fill lines. The drip tray slides right into the front. And just like that, you're ready to make all your favorite frozen treats. Use the soft serve tip to get that perfect soft serve swirl. Now that everything is assembled, let's plug in the machine and look at the controls. Press the power button to turn it on. Use the arrow button to select your presets and the plus or minus buttons to adjust the thickness. The cancel button stops the cycle and switches the machine to the wash setting. There are 8 presets. Soft serve. This will output a soft and airy consistency, which is different from traditional ice cream or frozen custard. Slushy, easy, flexible, and great with as little as 1 ingredient. Spiked slush, built for drinks with alcohol. Then you have frappe, milkshake, frozen juice, and chilled drink, each programmed for ideal consistency. And the wash setting, your quick rinse helper after you're done. Depending on the type of ingredients and volume, it can take 15 to 60 minutes until your frozen treat is ready, and chilled drinks like a bottle of wine, about 5 to 10 minutes. Now that we've walked through the machine, there are 3 important tips while using your FreezyFun: sugar levels, alcohol content, and air temperature. Your mix needs at least 4% sugar. That's about 8 grams per 8 ounces. If you're adding alcohol, keep the total level between 2.8 and 16% for that perfect slushy consistency. Your room temperature can affect your machine's output. To avoid your treat from getting overly frozen, start on the lowest thickness setting or setting 5 for soft serve and gradually increase the thickness. Okay, let's make our first fruit punch slushie. The machine has been upright for at least 2 hours. It's already on, and our fruit punch of choice has more than 8 grams of sugar per every 8 ounces, so we're ready to get started. We're going to select slushie and pour the mix into the chute, then watch it go. When your slushie is ready, the machine will beep and display end. It will continue to run, which is necessary while dispensing. The machine can run for up to 12 hours, but you want to dispense often to maintain the best consistency and flavor. And here it is, smooth, refreshing, and perfectly icy. For cleanup, use the wash setting to rinse the tank. Many parts are dishwasher safe, like the tank, condensation tray, auger, drip tray, and cover, and the soft serve tip. Just wipe the cool barrel and the inner well with a damp cloth. And that's your FreezyFun. You're all set to start creating slushies, soft serve, and more. Perfect for every chill moment.